Hi teacher, today I will be talking about the process of how cheese is made. Well, first we need to know what is cheese. Cheese is a dairy product that is formed by proteins, enzymes, microorganisms, and other things in order to form um, the final product. This can depend on the process it has and the type of milk we are going to use. In this case, I will talk about a general process and milk from a cow. So, first of all, we have to do some chemical tests on the milk. This to check the protein that it has, if it's a good quality milk, if it's fresh, etc. So once we have done these chemical tests, we will proceed to pasteurize the milk. This is a process that consists of boiling the milk for 15 seconds at 161 Fahrenheit. So after you have pasteurized the milk, you will take it into another container. And this is another part of it, that is adding culture and rennet. These are enzymes that are going to help the protein in the milk act up and make a pudding form thing that is going to be the base, one of the bases of the milk. So once the rennet and enzymes have acted up, you just mix them and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Okay, so once the enzymes have acted up, you have to start cutting it. This will create the curd and the whey. The curd is what we need to create the cheese, so you will cut it. The pieces might depend on what type of cheese you are making, but in general, they have to be small pieces. So once you have cut your curd, you have to drain it and get the whey off. Okay, so after doing that, you need to add salt and start forming it. Well, first we have to add the salt in order to let the cheese acidify and have more taste, and it can last longer this way. So once the salt is added, you have to start stacking up the cheese, well, the curds, and start forming it. This consists of piling and molding more than 10 times so the cheese can build more proteins this way. And finally, we do our finishing touches that maybe either leave the cheese that way once it's more firm, or we can add wax, vinegar, or other microorganisms that are going to help it age and have a different taste. So this mostly depends on the type of cheese you are making. And that would be all. Thank you.